Today we'll be talking about the Sinking Funds tab. You can track up to 25 funds for various savings goals. It includes the goal amount, the total monthly payment, how much is left to save, and how much you've saved already, as well as the progress bar showcasing all the progress of all your funds. This over here is the funds distributions of all your goals. Next to it is a graph showcasing all your funds progress and how much is left. Everything's gonna be visually appealing once all the information is added. But before we do anything of that, let's go here, choose our currency. If your currency is not shown, click this button, come over here to where it says add another item, copy and paste it here. And then once that is done, we're gonna start adding our sinking funds. Now we're gonna add our sinking fund. So our first one is gonna be a vacation fund with a goal amount of $6,000. Our monthly goal is gonna be 200. And then our starting amount will be 1,000. Our last sinking fund is going to be education fund for a goal amount of 10,000 and a monthly goal of 750 with the starting amount for 2,500. And then once that information is added, you can see that all of these columns have been auto populated. So you'll get to see how much you've saved so far, how much is left to save, how many months are left, and then your exact end date of the fund, and then your current progress in percentage wise. Now we'll go over to the contribution tab. On this tab, it'll show you all your funds in progress. It's also going to show you the funds goal, total monthly payment, how much is left to save, how much you've saved so far, and then the total global progress of all the funds. If you want to be able to update a specific sinking fund, you're going to want to go under the contribution tracker. You're going to click here on the date. So let's just say on August 14th. We'll select our vacation fund for the amount of 500. And as you can see, the vacation fund is now newly updated with the information given here. Let's do the same thing for our education fund. We'll do the August 23rd. And let's say we were able to save $1,000. And now this is fully updated. I'll give you the goal amount, saved amount, how much is left, how many months are left, and then the end date, which would be June 8th, 2025. So just make sure to keep track of all your contributions and knocking down all those sinking funds.